Hey guys, gonna be doing a OnePlus 7 Pro rear glass replacement. As you can see, that one's all blown up. This is the new one. Only difference I can tell so far is this one has the EMI on it, and then that one doesn't. And we're gonna be doing a front camera replacement. I'll show you what it's doing. So I have the little common issue when you go to use the camera. Tap it, and then it backs out. It won't even load anything up. So we're gonna hopefully the little camera guy fixes it. And then this is like the little kit I got with the back glass. The rear glass replacement I got from Amazon. I think it was like $18. And then the camera is from China. I think it was ipartsbuy.com or .org or .uk, something like that. I'm not 100% sure. But we're gonna go ahead and see how it does. My first time doing this, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. Catch you later. Alright guys, so I was able to finish the completion of the rear glass back replacement and the front camera. So got it all together. I used the old camera lens, or whatever you want to call it. Has a flash. Took that off the old one and put that one on the new one. Gonna go ahead and take these bands off. Alright guys, got the bands off, about to check it out, make sure everything works. Your camera now works. Sweet! Front camera works now. Nice. So, we got all that nice and fixed. Got that working. That's excellent. Bought it with the back glass cracked, and they said that the front camera wasn't working. Come to find out, both cameras weren't working, so I went ahead and replaced the front camera, and that fixed it, and now it's working. Only thing I wish I probably would have done was the charging port replacement, maybe a battery replacement. But I don't know. For a 4-year-old phone, this thing's a beast. I'd recommend the OnePlus to anyone. OnePlus 7 Pro. Still a beast. Super fast. Works great. Loads up quick. So, yeah. Alright, guys. Till the next one. God bless.